Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your Clash Royale account from your old device to new one quickly, safely and without losing any progress. So if you have just bought a new phone or switched device, don't worry, your arena cards and trophies are safe. Let's get started. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. Firstly, open App or Play Store on your new device. Then search for Clash Royale application. Tap on Installation button. Wait for installing. Now open Clash Royale. And select your age. Then play some tutorial match. Upgrade some cards. Set your account name. Now tap three-line button. Tap Supercell ID. Enter your Gmail here.
Tap Send Mail.
Enter verification code here.
Now submit it.
Tap Yes, login. And that's it. Your old account will instantly load on your new device with all your progress, cards, golds and trophies. You are ready to jump back into battle right where you left off. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.